Finding a reliable portable multimeter isn't always easy. Some models lack accuracy, others miss important features, and many aren't built for everyday use in the field. A good multimeter should deliver precise readings, fast response, and dependable performance, whether you're troubleshooting electronics, automotive systems, or household wiring. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best portable multimeters of 2026. We researched the web and real user reviews to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. ANENG 683 Smart Multimeter. The ANENG 683 Smart Multimeter is a compact, rechargeable tester designed for both beginners and professionals. It features a high-end touch interface with a clear 6,000 count display for accurate measurements of AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and more. Smart auto detection simplifies testing, while the rechargeable battery removes the need for constant battery replacements. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's an excellent choice for electronics repair, home maintenance, automotive diagnostics, and daily electrical work. Number 4. ALIENTEK DM40 3-in-1 Multimeter. The ALIENTEK DM40 combines a digital multimeter, oscilloscope, and signal generator into one portable device. With a 50 mega sample rate, it provides detailed waveform analysis alongside accurate voltage, current, resistance, diode, and continuity testing. Its bright color display and rechargeable design make operations simple in both workshops and field environments. Perfect for electronics enthusiasts, engineers, and automotive technicians, this versatile tool eliminates the need to carry multiple testing instruments. Number 3. Sunshine DT17N Digital Multimeter. The Sunshine DT17N is an auto-ranging digital multimeter built for reliable everyday testing. Its large LCD display provides clear readings, while automatic range selection makes operation quick and convenient. It accurately measures AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and continuity, making it ideal for repairing electronic devices and electrical equipment. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, this portable tester is a practical choice for technicians, DIY users, and repair professionals. Number 2. OWON XDM1041 and XDM1241 Digital Multimeter. The OWON XDM1041 and XDM1241 offer professional-grade performance in a portable bench-style design. Featuring 4.5-digit True RMS accuracy, they measure DC and AC voltage, current, resistance, frequency, and more with excellent precision. USB connectivity and SCPI support allow easy data logging and PC control for advanced testing tasks. Built for laboratories, workshops, and engineering applications, these multimeters deliver dependable performance while remaining compact enough for convenient transport. Number 1. UNI-T UT61B+, UT61D+, UT61E+ Smart Multimeter. The UNI-T UT61B+, UT61D+, and UT61E+ series stand out as the best portable multimeters on this list. They feature true RMS measurement, smart auto ranging, and a 6,000 count display for highly accurate results across AC and DC voltage up to 1,000 volts, current, resistance, capacitance, and frequency. Their rugged construction, fast response, and professional-level precision make them suitable for electricians, engineers, automotive repair, and advanced electronics troubleshooting. They deliver outstanding value, reliability, and performance. If you need a portable multimeter that delivers accurate readings and dependable performance, these 5 models are among the best choices available. Whether you're a DIY user, technician, or professional engineer, there's an option that fits your needs. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.